There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Hello YouTube, it's a crazy cleanup video time.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just chilling out here in the garage at, I don't know what time it is.
Everybody clean up in the middle of night.
No school tomorrow. And it's,
I'm done school. This was my last day.
it is 10:15.
Oh my gosh, it's time to go to bed.
Not yet. We'll do a couple more little videos and we'll go to sleep. No, we can maybe we can weld them all together. Make something. That's what I want to do them. After you're done, I'll show them what's in this box.
What box?
This one.
Every box?
I don't think so.
No, every box.
Here, I'll put them all in there. We'll take this off the counter. Come on, throw all the wrenches in there.
Yeah. So all my wrench.
What do you mean all mine? They're all mine.
No, they're all mine.
No, they're not. They're mine.
They're mine.
All right, say thanks for watching the little cleanup.
Thanks for watching.
Yeah, bye.